Let's start with the prayer. So please, all of you, please just close your eyes and join your hands. Rehan Jobi, please close your eyes and join hands. O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID 19. Bless us. Fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you. Good morning to all. Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? Okay. Okay, good.
Fine, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So last class we just started with our basic shapes. Are you remembering?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. And also we heard a story having a moral concentration is the key to success. So not only your body, your mind also should be here. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
four basic shapes, names of four basic shapes. I will call out the name. Okay. So they will give me the answers. Otherwise, it will be disturbance for others. Okay. Richard, please unmute. Richard, please unmute. Name
Yes.
any one basic shape, my dear. Name any one basic shape.
Square.
Very good. Square. Henna. Next one. Henna. Another basic shape. Name another.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. Good girl. Alessandra. Next one. Third one. Please unmute. Please unmute. Please unmute, Alessandra. And tell me.
Circle.
Circle. Very good. Now, Adna, Sunil, please unmute and tell me the last one.
Square.
Square. Very good. Very good. So we have four basic shapes: square, rectangle, circle, triangle. So these are the four basic shapes we discussed last day. And Niveda, can you name one object name having the shape of a circle? Niveda, please unmute. Name one object having the shape of a circle.
Square.
No, I asked, name one object. Name one object having the shape of a circle.
Circle. Triangle.
Listen, my dear. Listen, my dear. Name one object. That object having the shape of a circle. Circle shape object. Anyone. Ball. Niveda, can you tell me anything else?
Ball.
I will give you example. Okay. What about the coin? Did you see coin? 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. Did you see the
Circle.
wheel of the car? What is a shape?
Circle.
Circle. Very good. Very good. Now, Ved Pratap, name one object having the shape of a square. Ved Pratap, please unmute and tell me one object name having the shape of a square. Ved, please unmute. I can't hear.
Book.
Square shape book is here. Very good. Or 50-50 biscuit is an example. Or carom board, chess board. These are examples. Okay. Very good. Now we can move to the next one. Rectangle shape object. Anthony Naiju. Anthony Naiju. Tell me one object having the shape of a rectangle. Rectangle louder.
Pencil box.
Pencil box. So you are showing the pencil box also. Very good. Pencil box is an example. Okay. Or door, window, 50 rupee note. It's also an example for rectangle shape object. And we have the last one. That is a triangle. Badri Deepak. Please tell me one object name having the shape of a triangle.
Sandwich.
Which one?
Sandwich.
Triangle shape object. Louder, please.
Samosa.
Samosa, samosa, pizza, hanger. These are examples for triangle shape object. Very good. So these are the 4 basic shapes. And today let us learn 2 new words. Okay. Today let us learn 2 new words. I'm going to share the screen. Now you no need to take any notebook or pencil. Listen to me and look at the screen. That's enough. Okay. Now let me share the screen. So we discussed the 4 basic shapes: circle, rectangle, square and triangle. Now let us see 2 new words today. Okay, it's very simple. And the first one is Aldrin. Please tell me the spelling. Unmute.
O
Ah,
U
ah,
T
ah,
L
ah.
U E I
L
N
I
N
N.
E
Which is the last letter?
E.
E. Very good. Good boy. Outline. And we will pronounce it as outline. 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 Ishan, please tell me the spelling once again, Ishan. Please unmute and tell me the spelling.
O
Ah,
U
ah,
E
ah,
L
ah.
A
I.
E.
Outline. 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 Now let us see what is its meaning. Outline means shape. Shape of the object. Very simple. Outline means shape. 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 Outline means shape. Now itself we told the basic 4 shapes: rectangle, square, triangle and circle. So some object having the shape of these basic 4 shapes. So the same way outline means shape. 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 OUTLINE. Outline. What's the meaning of outline? Shape. 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 Now listen here. See, if we are keeping a coin on a paper, okay, and just we are drawing its outline, we will get the shape of that coin. Yes or no? Yes or no? What will be if we are keeping a 5 rupee coin on a paper? Very good, very good. Very good,
Yes,
Dash, very good.
ma'am.
So if we are keeping a 5 rupee coin on the paper and just we are drawing
Yes,
its
ma'am.
outline shape, we get a circle. Very good. The
Yes, ma'am.
same thing also here. Outline means shape. Otherwise, I will give another example. Sometimes we will do what? No, we will keep our hand on a paper. Okay, we will keep our hand on a paper and with the pencil we draw the shape, the outline of the hand. So we get the outline or the shape.
അതിന്റെ
Or not?
shape
We'll get it or not?
ന്റെ shape കിട്ടും.
Yes. So outline means shape.
ഇതിന്റെ outline
OUTLINE. Outline. What's the meaning of outline? What's the meaning of outline? Liz Maria, please tell me. What's outline? Shape. Very good, very good, very good. Outline means shape. Now again, let me share the screen.
നിന്റെ കൈ വെച്ച് outline വരയ്ക്കും.
OUTLINE. Outline.
Outline
Outline means shape. SHAPE, shape. Now, after this class, you do take a paper, means not notebook, any rough book or any paper, and keep your hand on the paper, palm on the paper, and take the outline of it. Okay, will you do it?
Yes.
You will get the outline of your fingers. Okay.
Ma'am, I can see
Outline
you.
means shape. SHAPE, shape. And we will move to the next one. That is, listen here. Second one is, the second one is, Basil Kuriakos. Please spell it. Please tell me the spelling. Basil, please unmute. Basil Kuriakos, please unmute. And tell me the spelling of the second word. Basil, can you hear, ma'am? Okay, he can't hear, I think. Niveda, please unmute. Niveda, please unmute. Read the spelling or tell me the spelling of the word. Very good.
B
A,
A
S,
S E.
E. Very good. BASE. BASE. Richard, please unmute and tell me the spelling. Richard, please tell me the spelling.
Base.
Tell me the spelling.
B A S E. Base.
Very good. Base. 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 The meaning of base means BOTTOM. Bottom part. Bottom part. We call it as base. Bottom part. I will explain with the objects. Okay, let me stop sharing and please listen here. Okay, now all of you please listen here. Can you see one object in my hand? Can you see one object in my hand?
Yes.
Shivat, name the object. Shivat, name the object. It's a birthday cap. It's a birthday cap. Now I will tell you what is this bottom part. Okay? What is a bottom part? So this portion, this is a birthday cap. Yes, I am keeping on my palm. Okay, I am keeping on my palm. So this portion we will call it as top. T-O-P, top portion. And this portion now, which is the rest, this portion we call it as bottom part. Bottom part. Okay. And in max, this bottom part we call it as the base. B-A-S-E. Base. Okay. So this is a birthday cap. This I am keeping on my palm. So this up portion, this we call it as top. T-O-P. Top portion. And where it is rest or that portion, we call it as bottom part. Bottom. In maths, we call this bottom as base. B-A-S-E, base. Okay, so this is a birthday cap. Can you name the outline of the base? What will be the outline of the base? You know what is a birthday cap. You may be wearing on your birthday. What is the outline? What is the outline? Very good. It's circle. It's circle. Now you understood the meaning. Base. Yes. Now I will give you another example. Another example. Did you see anywhere this object? Did you see anywhere this object?
Dice.
Very good. You are familiar with this. It's a dice. What is the use of this? What is the use of this? What is the use of this?
Dice. Dice.
What's the use of this?
Dice.
Use for playing. We use for playing snake and ladder. We use for playing snake and ladder. Okay, it's a dice. This also I am keeping on my palm. So this portion, no, this portion, this is the top portion, and this side is the bottom portion or base. Can you say the outline of the base? Outline of the base? Square. Very good, very good. The outline of the base is square. Outline of the base is square. Okay. Now let us see another one. Let us see another one. You had a tea in the morning. You had a tea in the morning.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good, very good, very good. So I also brought a glass. Okay, it's a glass, and I'm keeping on my palm. So this is a top portion, and this is a bottom portion. Okay,
Base.
what's the other name for
part.
bottom part? What's another name for bottom part?
Out.
Base, base. Very good, very good. Another name is base. Can you name the outline? Name the shape.
Circle.
Ah, circle. Very good. The outline of the base is circle. The outline of the base is circle. Okay. Now, all of you have pencil, no? All of you have pencil. Show me your pencil. Show me your pencil. Okay. So this is the top and this is the bottom. This is the top, the pointed end, sharpened end. That is the top, and the other one is the bottom portion. Okay, this is the bottom part, or we can say base. Base. Okay. Now, what about show me your notebook? Show me your notebook, Max notebook. Max notebook. Okay, everyone is covered. Very good. Good boys and girls. Okay, now I'm keeping on my palm. So this is the top and this is the bottom. Okay, who will tell me the outline of the base of this notebook? What is a shape?
Rectangle.
Very good. It's rectangle. It is a rectangle. So now you understood the meaning of base and
Yes,
outline.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. So outline means shape and
Shape.
base means bottom part. BOTTOM, bottom part. Okay, now let me share the screen once again. You please listen here. So we are discussing now two new words. First one is the outline and second one is
B.
base. And what is the meaning of outline? Outline means
Base. Shape.
outline means base. Sorry, shape. Outline means shape, and the base means bottom part.
Bottom part.
Base means bottom part.
Bottom part.
Okay.
Bottom part.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good.
Bottom.
It's loading now. Please be here. Look at the screen. You can see here CHAPTER. Chapter 1. Listen, my dear children. No need to write now. Listen to ma'am. No need to write anything. Listen to ma'am. That's enough. CHAPTER. Chapter 1. And what is the name of the chapter? SHAPS. What's the name of the chapter? Shape. SHAPES. Shapes. Anna, please unmute. Anna, please unmute. What's the name of the chapter?
Shape.
Shapes. Ishan, what's the name of the chapter?
Shape.
Shapes. Very good. Okay. Now, today we learn outline of base of an object. Here you can see OUTLINE. Outline. OF of BASE. Base. OF of and AN OBJECT. Object. Outline of base of an object. And we saw the first one, that is outline. Lysandra, please unmute and read the spelling. Tell me the spelling. What is spelling? Unmute, my dear. Okay.
Outline.
Outline. Tell me the spelling. Tell me the spelling, my dear.
O
O U
L
O U
E O U
T
I
L I N E. O U T L I N E. Outline. What's the meaning outline? Darsh Krishna, please tell me what's the meaning. Outline means it is shape of an object, or we can simply say shape. 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 Outline means shape. Ayon Jomi, please unmute, my dear. Ayon Jomi. And we have the next one. What is the next one, my dear? Tell me the spelling. Ayon Jomi.
G
Ah.
A
Ah.
S
Ah. BAS E. BASE. How we will pronounce it? Base. 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 What is the meaning? Bottom part of an object on which it rests. So simply we can say bottom part. Okay, that's enough. Bottom part. So first one is outline and the meaning is shape. Second one, it is base, 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 and the meaning is bottom part. Is it clear? Is it clear to you all these two words? It's clear? Yes. Now let us see some objects. Okay, let us see some object. Now, Arshika, please unmute. Arshika, please unmute. What is the object you can see here? What is the object you can see here? What is the object you can see here?
Notebook.
Book. It's a book. Very good. It's a book. It's a book. So, can you see the outline of base of this book? What's the shape? What's the shape?
Rectangle.
Louder, Arshika, louder.
Rectangle.
A rectangle, good girl. It's rectangle, rectangle. Let us draw the rectangle. It's a rectangle. Rectangles, opposite sides are equal. It's a rectangle. Very good. Now we can move to the next one. And we have Arahat Fatima. Arahat Fatima, please unmute. What is the next object? What is the next object you can see here?
Cap.
Cap. It's a birthday cap. It's a birthday cap. BIRTH. Birthday cap. It's a birthday cap. So please tell me the outline of the base. Please tell me the outline of the base. What is the shape?
Rectangle.
What's the shape? Outline of the base. Outline of the base.
Circle.
Circle. Very good. It is circle. It is circle. Okay. Now we can move to the next one. How? Did you see this one? Vedic. What is this? Did you see this one before? Vedic? Can you tell me?
Dice.
Vedic, please unmute and tell me the name of the object. This we use for playing snake and ladder. It's already it's a dice. It's a dice. 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 Now, what is the outline of the base? Which shape?
Ball. Square.
Square. Very good. It's square. It's square. The outline of the base is square. Good. Now, Tirtha, please unmute. Tirtha. Can you see the next object? What is this?
Glass.
Glass. It's a glass. It's a glass. And what about the outline of the base? What is the shape?
Circle.
Very good. Very good. It's
Circle.
it's circle. So now it's clear to you all. Now it is clear to you all the two new words, outline and base. Yes, outline and base. So John Paul, what is the meaning of outline? John Paul, please unmute. What's the meaning of outline? John Paul Juby, please tell me what's the meaning of outline? Outline means shape. Okay. Outline means shape. What's the meaning of outline?
Shape.
Shape. Very good. Very good. It's shape. Now Harriet Paul, what's the meaning of base? Harriet, close, please unmute. What's the meaning of base?
Bottom part.
Bottom part. Base means bottom part. Base means bottom part. Okay. So all of you have the notebook with you? All of you have the notebook with you?
Yes.
Show me your notebook. Show me your notebook. Let us try to start today.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So please take your notebook. You can leave the first page and you can take the second page. There we are going to start today. Okay? There we are going to start today. Now let me share the screen once again.
വരാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ
So all are ready with the pencil? All are ready with the pencil? Yes. So let us start. What happened, Mohammed Aidin?
ഇത് ഫസ്റ്റ് ചാപ്റ്റർ 1 നല്ല നീറ്റായിട്ട് ഭംഗിയിൽ മുകളിൽ എഴുതേണ്ടി വരും.
C. All of you please write C at the top. C. H A P T E R. Please write this spelling. C H A P T E R. Chapter. C H A P T E R. I will read once again. C H A P T E R. Chapter. Andrea Babu, please write. C H A P T E R. Chapter. It is a first chapter, so we can write chapter 1. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. C H A P chapter 1. Parents, please don't write in their notebook. Please help them to write. Okay. chapter chapter 1. Rayan Jobi, please tell me what's the name of the chapter? What's the name of the chapter, my dear? Rayan Jobi, please sheeps. Very good. Sheeps. Arnav, please unmute. What's the name of the chapter? What's the name of the chapter, my dear?
Sheep.
Sheeps. Very good, very good. Now let us write the name. Let us write the name of the chapter. The spelling is S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. S. So below the first line or below the word chapter 1, you can write in the next line S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Edina, what's the name of the chapter, my dear? Please unmute and tell me. What's the name of the chapter?
Sheep.
Shapes. Very good, very good. Darshak, please unmute and read the spelling of sheeps.
S-H-A-P-E-S.
Once again, Darshak. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. All of you have completed these two words. Chapter 1, shapes. Yes, very good, very good, very good. So, just we can revise once again what we studied today. Okay. So, only these two words. We will continue in the next class. We will continue in the next class. So, what we learned today? Today we learned two new words. Which are the two new words we studied today?
Outline.
Outline. Very good. Anna, what's the meaning of outline?
Outline.
Outline. What's the meaning of outline?
Shape. Outline.
Very good. Very good. Outline means shape. And second word. Arshika, what's the second word?
Base.
Base. B-A-S-E. Base. What's the meaning of base? Rashavia.
Bottom part.
Bottom part. Base means bottom part. So these two words you have to keep it in your mind, and we will draw the objects outline in the next class. Okay. So it's clear to you all these two words. I think so.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you for joining. We will meet on next day. Okay.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.